Kratos is heading back to Greece? Yes, you heard that right. A brand new God of War game is rumored to be in development, bringing back the legendary Greek setting. But is this a full sequel, a side story, or something completely unexpected? Let's break it all down. Here's what we know so far. A new God of War game is expected to be announced in 2025, possibly during the 20th anniversary of the franchise. But this won't be a simple remaster or DLC. It's rumored to be an independent side story, similar to The Last of Us, Left Behind, or Spider-Man Miles Morales. A return to Greek mythology. After two epic Norse adventures, Kratos might be heading back to where it all started. It's not a full sequel. This isn't the next major God of War title, but a smaller scale experience with a fresh perspective. And Cory Barlog's possible involvement. One of the masterminds behind the series might be working on this project, but it's not the big game he's been focused on. Since this isn't a full sequel, we might see a unique gameplay twist. Could we play as a different character? Maybe a young Kratos in his Spartan days? Or could this be a prequel linking Greek and Norse mythology? The big reveal could happen during the God of War 20th anniversary celebrations in 2025. PlayStation and Santa Monica Studio haven't confirmed anything yet, but with all the leaks and rumors, something big is definitely coming. Are you excited about Return to Greek mythology? What do you want to see in this rumored game? Drop your theories in the comments.